How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. One thing that I think we need to spend more time on is looking at some of the top DEXs, some of the top decentralized exchanges out there, because if you remember just a few months ago, we had a lot of these central platforms collapse. And of course, it is typically a little bit more confusing to learn how to use DEXs as opposed to centralized exchanges, but I think it's very useful. And I want to talk to you today about Biswap, which is a top 2 DEX on the BNB chain. They also have something really exciting coming up here soon. I actually am at a conference now, and I just won a $300 camera and a new Apple Watch, and they are actually doing something similar. They have a bunch of different prizes, and some of the times at these conferences, it is actually pretty easy to get some of these prizes. So what they're doing is they have a handful of different prizes in person, online. I'll put links to this underneath the video so that you can actually win these prizes too, but we'll talk more a little bit later in the video about the prizes. So they are a partner of the channel. They're one of the biggest out there. They have a ton of total value locked. I'm going to go over how to use their website, how to exchange, why it might be better than PancakeSwap, or why it is better than PancakeSwap, a bunch of different ways to earn, a couple different ways that you can get invested in Biswap as well with their token. And there will be links to all of this underneath the video. Biswap is a top 2 DEX on BNB. They recently got a strategic investor in Binance Labs. Why do people like it so much? Well, they have some of the lowest fees out there. Right here, I'm on their DEX. If I swap and confirm, I actually only have to pay 0.2% fees in BSW, and then I also can get 50% of that returned to me. So when you compare this to something like PancakeSwap, PancakeSwap actually has about 0.25, so about 25% more fees. PancakeSwap also doesn't have this fee return, which can really add up over time. Basically what they allow is they allow you to get 50% of your fees returned back to you in BSW token. They have multi-type referral programs, and you can earn up to 20% commission based on who you actually bring in. You can also get rewards from farms that your friends join, from launch pads as well. There are a lot of different reasons to hold BSW as well. For example, you can get high APYs on their launch pools. Now, I'm always cautious when you get too much, but I feel like this is not alarming. Like, some APYs are hundreds of percents, and that's just a little bit too aggressive, too inflationary. But here, these are somewhat realistic numbers, right? 32%, 32%, 28%. And they also just announced their Biswap double launch pools. So this is on their website right now, but looks like it's not active yet. But basically what you can do is you can stake BSW, and you can get BSW along with other tokens as well. Like, you can earn BSW and XRP. You can earn BSW and AVAX, earn BSW and Link, earn BSW and Filecoin. And these are a little bit higher APYs. You can see multiple in the 40s. They do say here that you can get up to 82%, and you can actually get higher rewards if you're part of the swap referral program, 12 to 20% from the swap referral program. So there are a lot of other ways of making money on Biswap as well. We're just going to go through a few. We just talked about launch pools. There's also farms where you can stake your LP tokens and earn BSW tokens in return. They incentivize many liquidity pairs by offering some of the best farming opportunities out there. So USDT, BSW, BNB, BSW, and you can go down the line. They have a lot of different offerings, and they offer pretty significant APYs. Depending on what it is, it could be anywhere up to, 100% plus. So, of course, you always have to do your research, make sure that the underlying tokens are strong as well. I think that's really important. A lot of people just provide liquidity and they don't think about what the price of the tokens will do either. So you have to pay attention to that. And this is a great way of getting more tokens and getting a high APY. It all depends on the supply and demand and how popular it is, but it's a great way of getting more tokens if the underlying tokens stay high in value as well. So another reason to hold BSW is you can use their multi-reward pool program. Basically, if you are a trader, you can get rewards back in BSW, BUSD, Wrapped BNB, and BFG. And you can do that just by trading and staking on their platform. So how this works is you first stake BSW to the multi-reward pool, provide your BSW with trading volumes, and then you earn rewards in the top token. So 1 active BSW equals $20 of trading volume for 30 days. So if you have $20,000 worth of trading volume, you'll get about 1,000 BSW throughout the month, which is fantastic. It's another way to earn and to get paid back on some of the business that you're bringing BuySwap. And BuySwap's actually going to be at the Binance Blockchain Week conference. This is going to be 16th through the 14th. Now, like I said, they are giving away a lot of prizes. And like I said, I also won a couple prizes, like $300 prizes at the conference I'm at now. A lot of the time, like I said, at these finance conferences, there aren't that many people that know about the prizes or actually try to get the prizes. So what you can do is you can sign up with the links underneath the video. If you're doing it online, I would highly suggest tuning into this conference. If you're going in person, you can sign up for some of these prizes as well. They're giving away a lot of cool stuff. For example, a Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2022 AMG or 50,000 in USDT. Just an insane amount, right? That's 2.5 Bitcoin. iPhone 13 Pro Max 128 gigabyte. They're doing 2 of those. PlayStation 5, 2 of those. Oculus VRs. I have one myself. That's an awesome thing to play with people. Apple AirPods Max, a couple of those. Apple Watch 7 series, AirPods 3 series, BuySwap gift box. And they're doing exclusive merch as well that won't be on their site for sale. So definitely check this out. There's so many different prizes. And again, links are underneath the video. They also have something that's really important that has to do with this conference as well. You can join their BuySwap Space Agents program. It's a great way to earn crypto from content that you make. So they're sharing about $5 million in BSW. They're looking for people that are passionate about BuySwap, motivated and communicative, have strong blogging and social media accounts with more than 5,000 subscribers, and have blogging experience. Now, what does this actually do? Well, you can get some of these different rewards. Basically, they want you to first register your participation right after selecting a topic. You can then create content based on BuySwap on the chosen theme. You can share your content, and then you can submit your content, and then you can actually get it assessed, content assessment process, and see how much money you can actually make from it. And you can do this even like on the conference that they're going to now. So I'll leave the links to this underneath the video. There are also links to their social media as well on their website. It's super easy to join them. So if I want to join their Telegram channel, I could just click on this, go over to English, and then it will pull it up. You can join there. You can also join them on Twitter. I always like following the projects on Twitter, so that way you can make sure that you are getting the most up-to-date content. You can see too that they have a ton of people that follow them, including KuCoin, I believe Binance, a couple others too. They have 314,000 followers over on Twitter. So you should definitely learn more about them. Again, this is a great time to be learning more in this bear market, making sure you have all the tools and especially the skills to make sure that you can prosper during the next bull run. So definitely check out all this underneath the video. Thanks to BuySwap, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.